Hi, this is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I did a Valentine's Day mani. I did where is it? My Baby Pink by Wet n Wild is a French dip. On my nail hand, I have Go-Go Girl by Sinful Collections. Yep, I made a mess all over my bottle. Here I have my nail polish holder that I got from Wish, which I love. On my stamping plate for my designs, I wish I knew where I got them. It says SE21 and SE20. I do not know what that stands for. They're not from Bundle Monster, I know that. They could have been from Wish, or they could have came from Five Below when I did a review on their stamping plates. Check that video out. But I use to stamp with, I use Sugar Sugar by Sinful Colors. That is number 839. Also, I used a white cream, which I cannot read, it's been rubbed off, by Wet n Wild. It's easy to do this. You get your stamping plate, put your color across it, get your scraper, scrape it off, get your stamper, pick it up, stamp your nail. I have a video on that also. And then I did all this off camera because I have to do, or I'm going to be doing a collaboration on Instagram. So check me out March 10th. It will be available. It is called Mani Around the World, with a few other girls on there, which I'm greatly excited about. My mani will be of the United States flag, and my accent nail, I think I'm going to be doing my feathers. 3 feathers if I can fit them, which will show my Indian heritage. That is what I associate with the United States as my Indian heritage. So all my fingers will be American flags except my ring finger. I hope you'll check that out. I might even do a video for it. I'm undecided yet. But hope you like this video. Check it out. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you.